gonna take us 9 hours to Las Vegas, and that's enough time to talk about road trip essentials. And we're starting right now. What's up, travel heads? Brian here with Life of BD, bringing you the best travel hacks and tips to prepare you for your upcoming travel. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. There's excitement during the beginning of your road trip because you can't wait to go to your destination. But over the few hours on the road, you get a bit bored and you start getting tired. But there are essentials that'll keep you entertained during your road trip. The first thing I think about before hitting the road are my snacks. Always gotta have the beef jerky. I always have beef jerky when I'm on the road. Peach rings. Peach ring is another must for me. I just like to snack on it while I'm driving. And then water to keep myself hydrated. And maybe an energy drink or coffee just on the side, just in case I'm getting a bit drowsy or even like a bit tired at all. Get a little shot of drink and keep myself awake. Or just go to a rest area and rest and get some energy and go back on the road. Just a few unhealthy snacks, I know. But anyway, moving on to technologies. Like a phone, a laptop or tablet, a charger, an aux cable, and headphones. Why? Well, just keep watching and you'll know why. A phone will provide me with a playlist that has music that runs for at least like 4 hours total of just different type of music. Yeah, I don't like EDM, I'm more of a techno person. Or if I'm not driving and I'm on the passenger seat or the back seat, then I'll just have my phone out to do some social media strolling or just reading or doing business. I like to carry a laptop to get work done or just watch a movie or two while on the road. Headphones are much needed for me if I'm not driving or just because I don't like the driver's music and I just want to enjoy my type of music. Or even just for my phone or my tablet or laptop, I need to focus and I need to pay attention to what I'm listening or learning, so I have headphones. As someone who enjoys reading, it's a hit or miss for me when I'm on the road. Sometime while reading a book, I can get a bit dizzy, a bit car sick, and sometime I'll be perfectly fine and I could just blaze through a book like it's nothing. Shotgun would count as entertainment, right? No, not the gun, not a big shotgun. We're talking about shotgun as in the passenger seat next to the driver. For me, shotgun plays a big role. They have to help entertain the driver, keep them awake, talk to them, talk about whatever, just keep them entertained. Be the one who operate their playlist, open their soda for them, open their junk food for them, and yeah, that's the shotgun rule. You don't get to sleep. You're actually awake to entertain the driver and make sure nothing happens. That's my rule of shotgun driving. So if I have only 2 people, well, I don't think any of us is sleeping, or if you're sleeping, you're only gonna take a little rest. But if you have like 4 people in the car, then the 2 in the back can go take a nap. Shotgun, you better be awake with me, because while I'm on the road, I'm gonna need someone to entertain me. Then we could swap out. The 2 in the back will do the same, and me and whoever's in the passenger, we can take a rest. That's your job, shotgun. GPS and navigate for the driver. I want to name a few notable essentials that you should bring during your road trip to make your travel life easier. Like shades or eye patch. I always have shades on me, so now I could just close my eye and take a rest when I'm sleeping. Or when I'm driving, or even on the passenger seat, I could have shades on so the sun can't just distract me the whole time. Or just have an eye patch so you can go sleep. Napkins are much needed because you never know, you get dirty off of your food and you need to wipe your hand, or someone always ends up spilling a little drink or something, right? And a travel pillow for if you're taking a rest on the road. And if you're on the back seat, you can go take a nap instead of bending your neck and stuff. You don't want to have your neck all sore right when you arrive to your location and you're all like, oh, I'm so sore while traveling. And hand sanitizer and whatnot, so you can like clean your hand off. You know, during your road trip, you might get a bit dirty, or you might feel dirty or even sweaty, or just food in general and stuff. You want to just have your hands sanitized. Always keep yourself clean. Anyways, while on the road, I like to wear baggier clothing. I don't like to wear jeans and all these tight clothing because I'm on the road. I'm not out traveling right now. I'm just trying to stay comfortable while on the road. So I would bring probably like a sweatpants or basketball shorts with a t-shirt or so, and just a long sleeve cotton shirt that's really comfortable, and just have a small little blanket with me and a jacket just in case. Comfort shoes or slippers. I like to wear road shoes because they're really comfortable to me. One of my friends may disagree and he might even comment below talking about how ugly and crappy road shoes are, but whatever. They are comfortable for me. And those are a few road trip essentials that I am passing down to you. Did I miss any? Let me know below. And do you plan on going on a road trip soon? You already know, comment below and let me know where you plan on going for a road trip. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Thank you, and until then.